In the previous video, we learned the definition of contract, objective of contracts, and their requirements. In this video, we will talk about the types of contracts. There are many types of contract. Some important ones are lump sum contract, item rate contract, cost plus variable percentage contract, cost plus variable fee contract, labor contract, demolition contract, and fee contract. Now we will discuss one by one. Lump sum contract. In this contract, the contractors have to quote a lump sum amount for completing the work according to the given specification, designs, drawings, etc. This type of contract is given only in exceptional cases. The cost of work is known before completion. Detailed measurements of the work done are not required except in case of any addition and alteration. There is difficulty in making intermediate payment to contractor, hence contractor has tendency to complete the work quickly within time limit. This is a great advantage of lump sum contract. In lump sum contract, proper planning and efficient management for execution of work is more convenient. In lump sum contract, quantities of different items of work are not provided. On completion of work, no detailed measurement of different items of work is required. Item rate contract. In this type of contract, the contractors have to quote a rate of each item of work. The contract agreement includes quantities, rates, and amounts of various items of work. Payment to the contractor is made by detailed measurement of different items of works actually done by the contractor. This contract helps in a smooth progress and timely completion of work. In item rate contract, intermediate payment to contractor for completed item is easier. This method is adopted when complete schedule of rates is not available at the work site or when number of non-scheduled items in the work is more. Cost plus variable percentage contract. In this method, payment to the contractor is made on varying percentage basis. The contractor's percentage is linked with the cost of construction. Percentage of profit increases with the decrease in cost of construction from estimated cost and vice versa. In cost plus variable percentage contract, the contractor gets more profit if he can bring down the cost of construction from the estimated cost and vice versa. It is modified from cost plus percentage contract. Contractor wants complete the work within the time limit. Cost plus variable fee contract. In this method, fee to be paid in based on some sliding scale in addition to cost of work. Fee varies inversely to the increase or decrease of the estimated cost agreed by both parties. In cost plus variable fee contract, higher the actual cost, lower will be the fee and vice versa. Contractor wants to complete the work economically within time limit. Profit of contractor depends upon economy achieved in construction. Labor contract. In this contract, the contractor undertakes contract for the labor portion. All materials for construction are arranged and supplied at the site of work by the department or owner. The contractor engages labor and gets the work done according to specifications. In labor contract, the contractor is paid for the quantities of work done, one measurement of different items of work at the stipulated rate in the contract agreement. The contractor has to make his own agreement for the supply of tools, plants, centering materials, and scaffolding, etc. required for work as per agreement. This system of contract is generally not adopted in the government department. while private buildings are however constructed by labor contract system. Demolition contract. It is required for demolition of old structure. The contract which requires demolition of the structure and disposal of the materials is known as demolition contract. In this system, not any construction activity takes place. In this contract, the agreement contains a detailed description of the property and the structures to be demolished along with date of commencement and expected completion of demolition. In this system, payment is made lump sum, either by owner or by contractor, depending upon the agreement and condition of a structure. Fee contract. In this type of contract, the agrees to pay the contractor an amount as his fee. In this contract, documents are not necessary while signing the agreement. These are supplied during the progress of work. The cost of labor, material and other expenses are borne separately by owner. Some incentives may be given to contractor to complete work at a quicker and cheaper rate. Thank you.